Suzuki Jimny 2020 model, upgrade 2024 Brabus G800, face complete. As you can see, complete the hood scope, front bumper complete, the grille and emblem logo, the light, corner light complete, and the fender trim, even the roof light, front roof spoiler, pulley with side step and door molding pulley, carbon fiber. Check this, the interior Brabus design, complete original pulley. As you can see, the seat leather, original leather, the floor mat complete, the steering wheel with Brabus, and the door mat complete, door panel inner. As you can see, the back side completely fully. As you can see, completely fully.
Chahal is a good option, but uska height or drift milega Harpreet Baar ko. He might come in as an impact. Okay. Depending, because the team batting first, it's a batting pitch actually. To be very honest, Ahmedabad की pitch batting pitch है. I'm pretty sure जो team पहले batting करेगी उसके हिसाब से.
As you can see, the roof light,
then RCB has a very balanced side. क्योंकि अगर आप पंजाब का गेम देखोगे तो उन्होंने maximum one-sided मतलब.
As you can see, the back roof spoiler, even the tire cover, pulley. But the car is dry chain for Kenya, Tanzania, India, Pakistan.
लेकिन फिर भी आप मतलब रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बेंगलुरु की तरफ जो है वो मुड़ रहे हो, तो ये परिवर्तन, ये बदलाव कैसे आया है?
Strategically, because 18 years actually. But I think for Virat Kohli and for the Bangalore fans, I think I really feel for them.